stay. Let the music take me higher still.